Welcome to your DAF Driver Training, where we'll be stepping through some of the key features and benefits of your new Euro 6 DAF truck. Let's take a look at the right-hand steering column switch. The CF and XF DAF Euro 6 engine brake is operated with the right-hand steering column switch. You can engage the engine brake by pulling the right-hand steering column switch towards your body. It has 4 positions. The braking steps of the MX engine brake are off. The MX engine brake is not active, 0%. Position A, approximately 40% of the maximum braking performance. Position B, approximately 70% of the maximum braking performance. And position C, the maximum braking performance at 100%. A green warning indicator is visible on the master display when the engine brake is active. Using the push knob on the right-hand steering column switch is possible to switch from automatic mode to automatic mode with eco mode function off, manual mode with eco mode function off, and back to automatic mode with eco mode function on. If, over a fixed period, no action is registered, the system automatically returns to eco mode on. Manual gear shifting in the Traxon gearbox is only possible with the eco mode function switched off or in manual mode. Manual upshifts are achieved by lifting the right-hand column switch up. Manual downshifts are achieved by pushing the right-hand steering column switch down. When operating the engine brake in the fully automatic mode or the automatic mode with eco mode function switched off, the automatic gearbox tries to keep the engine speed in the blue area of the rev counter. In the manual mode, the automated gearbox will not automatically shift down to the ideal speed range for the engine brake when the engine brake is operated. When using the engine brake in manual mode, always adjust the gear selection so that the engine speed remains in the blue area of the rev counter. Do not allow the engine speed to be pushed into the red zone going downhill, as serious engine damage can occur. There you have it. For more information, consult your DAF operating manual or visit your local DAF dealership.